Welcome to Medical Terminology. It is so awesome to have you in this class. I hope you really learn to love it. A couple things just to start us off. Medical terminology is very much like learning a new language. However, it's not like you learned English or like you might learn another foreign language. And this is the reason why. We're going to learn word parts and the definitions to those word parts. And that way, anytime you see a medical term, we can break it down and build the definition. Okay? We're going to make that make sense. When you turn to your first chapter and any chapter after this, there's a lot of anatomy and physiology that happens right away. A lot of that might be some information that we're going to skip or not dwell on too heavily. You'll have anatomy and physiology classes where you'll learn that type of information. We really want to focus on the language and the word parts every single chapter. So what's most important for you is your blue boxes, combining forms, suffixes, and prefixes. Those are the 3 word parts that you're really going to need to focus on. I encourage you and advise you to make your flashcards for every word part. Again, that's a combining form, suffix, or prefix out of your blue boxes from the chapter in your textbook. On one side, put the combining form, suffix, or prefix, and on the back side, put the definition. Study them both ways. So study them with knowing the word part and then knowing the definition, and then flip them over. If this is the definition, what's the word part? Mix them up because sometimes our brains get used to that order. Make sure you mix them up too. Because if you know your word parts, I can ask you any question and give you any term, and you can break it down and understand what I'm asking of you. Good luck and have fun this week. Make sure you watch the lectures. They'll really help.